to my channel. I want to be looking right in the corner where the mirror is. And today I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the Crayon Case's eyebrow pomade in the shade Ebony. And I'm also going to be using this spoolie right here. And I pretty much do my eyebrows the same. I just fill in brush and fill in brush. Now we're going to go in with our Crayon Case's highlighter concealer, and I'll let you guys know in the description box which number that is. I'm going to set my concealer with my new favorite e.l.f. setting spray. I love this, and you will see this all throughout the video, like several times throughout the video. So to prime my face, I'm going to be using Philip's Miracle Magnesia, and I just started using this. I haven't always used this, but ever since I started using it, I love this stuff. I love it. It just makes my makeup look so matte and just so ooh. Now we're going to go into the palette Chocolate by Juvia's Place. And we're going to place that dark brown color all over our lid. Then we're going to go into that light brown color, and we're going to put it right on top of that dark brown color and just blend it all out. Maybelline's False Lash Mascara. L.A Girls Pro Concealer. The shade will be listed in the description box below. Now I'm going to set my face with the Chalk Dust setting powder. I used a little much on that side, so we're just going to tap it this time and spread it out and continue to set my concealer with the powder. Now I don't contour all the time, but when I do, this is what I use. Now I'm using that same Chalk Dust to carve out my contour. It needs to be a little sharp. Now to take all the chalk dust off, I'm going to use my Maybelline's Fit Me Press Powder, and I'm just going to blend it all together. Now I never use blush, but today we gonna put a little on the cheeks, baby. Just so we're not too extra, we're gonna go in with those I Envy Kiss lashes. Boom, in the shade 14. Highlighting, all the areas. So for the lips, I'm going to go in with this eyebrow pencil that I'm going to be using for my lip liner. And it's from my local beauty supply store, so I'm just going to line the bottom as well as the top. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline nude lipstick that I got from my local Walmart and place that right in the center. I'm all done. I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'll be back. Thank y'all for watching. Talk to y'all later.